On Monday evening of this week, we decided, Susan and I, to get short the Dow futures in particular. That is the position you see up there now that is up some $2,500. You might be asking, why? Why did you get short the Dow, Don? And why did you do it on Monday night? Or maybe you're thinking, with the market being down today, well, that was obvious. Anybody and everybody should have known to short the market on Monday and Tuesday of this week. Let me show you exactly why we did that. And by the way, I am Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Thursday, November 14th, just 10 minutes before 4. This is SMC Swing Machine Plus. This is the Dow Futures. Now before I go there, I want to go to the VIX. And I want to change the VIX to a daily signal. And you'll notice the VIX on a daily basis, which is giving us the trend information of the bearishness or bullishness in the options market, is giving us a reading of minus 30. On Monday night, it was in panic, meaning that the option market was ebullient. They were yelling in the streets. They were so happy because their positions were so long and rich. Now let me come and show you the Dow on a daily. When the VIX was in panic, the Dow was in euphoria. Euphoria. And there's an old saying from none other than Warren Buffett. When they're yelling, you might want to be selling. When they're yelling in the streets telling you how rich they are, you might want to be selling. And when they're crying, the opposite side of the coin, you might want to be buying. There's another old saying, when the VIX on the trend is low, you might want to go. So when the VIX was in panic and the YM was in euphoria, we shorted the Dow. And we decided to reduce some of our intraday trading and ride the trade, which we're going to continue to do. Why didn't we use the S&P? Well, quite frankly, it was just personal. We could have, because the S&P was also in euphoria. As you can see, it's still long on a daily. It was overdone. And the NASDAQ, same thing. Now, before I leave the NASDAQ, if you had gotten short the NASDAQ at 8:35 this morning, you'd be up some $3,000. But on a daily basis, on Monday night, it's going to populate here in a moment, at least I hope it is, was also in euphoria. It's now down here. So when the VIX is in panic and the markets are in euphoria, it's a great opportunity to do what? To sell. And when the VIX is in euphoria and the markets are in panic, it is what? A great opportunity to buy. Now, it doesn't happen every week. Doesn't even happen every month. Probably happens maybe half a dozen times a year. It's a great opportunity. And you need to be diversified in your skill set in knowing what to do. Now, we could have used the options market. We could have bought puts. We could have sold call credit spreads. We could have done any number of things. In fact, we did do a little of those. But we also just got short one contract on the Dow. I am Bagger Don. This is StockMarketCaddy.com. If you would like to have this tool and all the other tools from Stock Market Caddy on your desktop and the education how to use them, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 813-758-8263. We wish you the best. Thanks.